Some people are not ordinary. Their spirit shows it long before their life does. You feel things deeply. You survive things that should have broken you. And you walk through seasons that don't make sense to others. You've been shaped, stretched, and sharpened in ways that most people around you will never understand. That's not random. That's what it means to be marked by God. When God chooses someone, He places a spiritual mark on them, a mark that attracts favor, pressure, responsibility, and protection. Today, we'll talk about 5 signs you are spiritually marked by God, and the last sign is the one that proves God set you apart for a special purpose. Sign 1. Your life has never been normal, even when you wanted it to be. One of the biggest signs that you are spiritually marked is this: you've never been able to fit into a normal life. Even when you tried to be like everyone else, something inside you never matched your surroundings. You always felt different. You always felt separate. You always felt like your path wasn't going to look like other people's. You may have watched others move easily through life while you faced battles they never experienced. You may have had to grow up faster, heal deeper wounds, or carry responsibilities earlier than others. Spiritually marked people experience life differently. You don't find comfort where others do. You don't enjoy the same things. You lose interest in places where others stay for years. You can't force yourself to be who you're not. You often feel like God is blocking you from average life. This is because your spirit is designed for a higher purpose. God doesn't let you settle where others settle. Jeremiah 1:5 reminds us, "Before you were born, I set you apart." Being spiritually marked means you were separated long before you understood why. If your life has always looked different, not easier, not smoother, but different, it's because God has been shaping you since the beginning. Sign 2. You feel spiritual pressure. More than others, spiritually marked people experience pressure differently. You feel spiritual attacks earlier. You feel emotional shifts faster. You sense danger before it appears, and you get affected by things that don't bother other people at all. This sensitivity is not weakness. It's a sign of spiritual calling. You may feel heavy for no reason, wake up with emotional pressure, sense people's intentions instantly, feel uncomfortable in certain environments, lose peace when someone around you has dark intentions, get spiritually tired around the wrong people, feel anxious when something spiritually wrong is near. This is because your spirit is awake. Others walk into trouble blindly. You feel it coming. The enemy doesn't fight you randomly. He fights you early because he sees the mark you carry. And because you carry spiritual authority, you also carry spiritual pressure. 1 Peter 5:10 tells us, "After you have suffered a little while, God will restore and strengthen you." Your pressure is not punishment, it's preparation. God strengthens the spirits He marks. 3. You survive battles others couldn't handle. If you are spiritually marked, you've survived things that should have destroyed you, pain that should have hardened you, loss that should have broken you, seasons that should have crushed you, betrayals that should have turned your heart cold, loneliness that should have made you give up. But here you are, still here, still fighting, still growing, still healing, still believing, even when you don't feel strong. Spiritually marked people are warriors by nature, but they rarely see themselves that way. Why? Because they've been fighting battles for so long that surviving became normal. But look at your history. You bounced back from heartbreak. You recovered from depression. You walked through loneliness and still kept your heart soft. You endured seasons of silence without losing faith. You overcame struggles people don't even know about. This is not ordinary strength. This is spiritual protection. Isaiah 54:17 says, "No weapon formed against you will prosper." Weapons were formed. They just didn't work. Because you're marked. When God marks you, no attack can remove His hand from your life. 4. You carry a heart that feels more deeply than normal people. Another sign that you're spiritually marked is your heart. You don't feel lightly, you feel deeply. You don't love casually, You love strongly. You don't break easily. But when you do, you break quietly. You care more than others. You notice people's emotions before they say a word. You feel pain in silence without telling anyone. This is because marked people carry a spiritual assignment, and with assignment comes compassion. God gives you a heart that can feel the battles of others. He gives you empathy because one day you will guide people who are hurting. But this deep heart also means you experience stronger emotions, more disappointment, higher expectations, more heartbreak, more loneliness. You're not too emotional. You're spiritually sensitive. Ezekiel 36:26 tells us, "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you." That heart inside you, the one that feels everything, is not a weakness. It's a spiritual gift. God uses deep-hearted people to heal deep wounds in others. Sign 5. God gives you isolation, pressure, and responsibility. The strongest sign. This is the sign most people ignore, the sign that proves you are spiritually marked. God gives you isolation, pressure, and responsibility all at the same time. This is spiritual. Elevation. When God marks you, He doesn't let you live a soft life. He puts weight on your shoulders because He trusts you. He lets you walk through loneliness so you learn to hear His voice. He lets you feel pressure so your spirit becomes strong. He gives you responsibility so you can carry the calling He placed on you. You may be the strong one in your family, the one who encourages others, the one everyone depends on, the one who stays calm during chaos, the one who others come to for advice. Spiritually marked people carry a calling that others don't understand, and God won't elevate you publicly until He strengthens you privately. James 1:12 reminds us, "Blessed is the one who remains strong under trial." Your trials are not accidents. Your loneliness is not punishment. Your pressure is not random. They are all signs that God is shaping you for something big. When God marks you, He prepares you. If these signs match your life, then you're not living an ordinary story. You're living a spiritual assignment. You have been guided, protected, tested, and shaped for a purpose bigger than your imagination. Your pain has been part of your preparation. Your pressure has been part of your spiritual training, and your sensitivity has been part of your calling. You are spiritually marked, and God is not done with you yet. Greater things are coming. Stronger seasons are ahead, and your spirit is ready. If this message spoke to you, write "I am marked by God" in the comments.